Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial part 9. Here we will learn how to rotate an object. The tool to rotate is here. It will rotate the object around a base point. First, select the tool of rotate from the modify toolbar or type RO command on the command prompt. Then select the object and then, as per the instruction, click right side or press enter. Now specify the base point, and then if you want to rotate it as per the angle, give it the angle as 45 and then press enter. That object will get rotated at its 45 angle. Now the second command that we will learn is break. The break is located here on the modify toolbar. It will break the selected object between 2 points. It will create a gap between 2 specified points of an object. Here we have drawn a line to break. Here for break the command is BR. Now select the object at first point and specify the second point, and we can see that the line has been break between those 2 points. The single object is divided into 2 objects now. The next command that we will learn here is copy. Copy is located on this modify toolbar. It will copy the object with a specified distance and in specified direction. The copy command is used to duplicate one or more existing drawing entities at another location without erasing the original. The command for it is CO, and then press enter. Now select the object. As we have the rectangle over here, we'll select that and then press enter or right click. Now it will ask you for the displacement. We'll copy it from any of this point . This many copies we have created. Use any of the entity selection method you want to, because copy can select and can copy any specified vector from the drawing area. We have learned 3 commands here: rotate, break and copy. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.